Hi guys, it's Jaden from Pristine Truck Center. This is stock number 5141P. It's a 2017 Ford Transit T150 cargo van with 87,000 K. Got a lot of these vans in recently. It's definitely for a reason. They are very nice, very nicely outfitted. This one does come with a laptop mount for the passenger side there. In the back, we've got Ranger bulkhead with some storage hooks on both the bulkhead as well as in the shelf here. And there's some slat wall there with some blue bins. You can take individual parts out or whatever the case may be. Shelving on both driver's and passenger side. And they also install this nice solid floor so it's easy to crawl in and out of there so you're not racking up your kneecaps on the ribs of the floor. It's also easier for sliding material in and out as well. This one does have a 3-position ladder rack, so it does have a lockable one here, as well as room for like a little 6-foot step ladder in the center. And then there's also a conduit carrier mounted up top as well. Again, shelving on both drivers and passenger side. Plenty of room in the center for furnaces, water heaters, air conditioners, whatever else you might be lugging around. These ones also do come with rear heat. There's also a hitch as well as backup cam in these ones as well. So they're completely outfitted, ready to go to work, regardless of what industry you're in, whether that be plumbing and heating, electrical, general contracting, anything like that. These vans are certainly nicely equipped. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt, and cruise. And then there's also a power inverter mounted down there just below the center console for charging drill batteries, your phone, or anything else you might be needing to charge on their way to and from the job site. Again, plenty of uses for something like this. Nice, clean, low-mile van. Again, stock number 5141P, 2017 Ford Transit cargo van.